Hello everyone, Sam here. Today I am going to show you how I use Quora to promote virtually anything. For today's example, I'm going to take an old YouTube video of mine, and my goal is to get it more views. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search a question that is related to the video. My video is about how to set up WordPress on an Amazon EC2 instance. So let's do how to set up WordPress on Amazon. How can set up WordPress on Amazon Cloud Server? So we found already one question, and I see that there's a couple of answers already. Nope, just one. Great. So let's begin. Hi, I created in the past a short video on how to launch a WordPress site on Amazon for free. Here is the link. And basically I'm just copy pasting the link, putting it in here, and adding comment. That is it. Let's search again, Amazon free WordPress. Let's see what we get. Which free WordPress theme? Which is the best WordPress plugin? Let's try again. WordPress on Amazon server. So this is the question we already answered. Let's see. Could I host a WordPress site on a server and use storage from Amazon? Not exactly the question that is related to the video. Let's see. This question is great. Should I install WordPress on Amazon EC2? Why or why not? I personally think that Amazon provides the infrastructure to scale your site better than generic hosting services that have cheap solutions, or let's say cheap plans. If you want to try and install WordPress for free, you can check out this old video I created in the past. And once again, sending the link. And let's just remove this. Less is more. And add a comment. So right away, less than 6-7 minutes, we have already two answers that are embedding a video that we created. Now this can work for almost anything else. After giving you an example with these videos or video, let's move to an example on a potential, let's say, pet store. So let's write dog toys. What are the best dog toys for active dogs? So imagine you have a pet store and you sell dog toys. You can create any piece of content that can help answer the question here, what are the best dog toys for active dogs? I'm going through the answers really quick, and let's see if there is already any business that has used this question to promote what they have to sell. Let's see. Here we go, a link. Marshall's Pet Zone. So somebody promoted here a link to a store, and there is a high chance that either the person giving the answer is going to get some kind of an affiliate commission, or they actually own the store. Here's another one. Toys to keep the dog busy while in work, dogmexico.com. Here's another link. And if we can believe this little metric, it means that there were already 780 views for this blog post on this blog that I've never heard of. And I'm pretty sure that these are either affiliate links or dropshipping links. Here's another link, something like Playdate. So as you can see, if you have a pet store, you can use a question like, what are the best dog toys for active dogs, to promote your pet store. Let's try another example. Let's say we still have a pet store and we're looking to promote something related to cat toys. So what questions do we have on cat toys? What kind of toys should I buy for my cat? So there's a couple of answers here. This one doesn't have a link. This one also doesn't have a link. These are cute examples. So this is like an opportunity for a pet store. There's no pet store that is, oh, here we go, organiccattoys.com. Check out my blog, organiccattoys.com. This is the example I was looking for. Here's someone who found the opportunity to promote their blog, and their blog is actually really relevant to the question. So there's a high chance people have clicked on this link. Now, from the quick kind of, glance I had here, 21 views is not a lot, but out of these 21 views, if even 10 people clicked on that link, I don't know if, this blog still exists or it doesn't, but this just shows that Quora can be used to promote whatever link you have to offer. And it can be a blog post, it could be a video, it could be straight to a product page. It is a free content marketing tool. And if you have any kind of business with even the most simple content, such as a case study or simple blog posts, video explanations, tutorials, you can use that content to give people answers, added value, and promote your links and get some SEO value in the process. So this was a very short kind of tour of Quora and everything it has to offer. I'm pretty sure that if you open your first Quora profile, or you already have one and you haven't used it yet, and you start going through all kinds of questions that are related to your business, you will find many opportunities. Thank you for watching. My name was Sam. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.